Tired of wrestling with paper forms and the hassle of physical signatures? Today, we're unlocking the power of fillable PDF forms and digital signatures, transforming your document workflow forever. First, let's talk software for robust PDF creation and editing. Adobe Acrobat is the industry standard, offering powerful form-building tools, however. For simpler forms, you can often start in programs you already use, like Microsoft Word or even open-source options like LibreOffice, and then convert them to PDFs. The magic of fillable PDFs lies in their interactive fields once you have your document open. Look for the Prepare Form tool. You'll see a palette of field types, text boxes for typing information, checkboxes for selecting options, radio buttons for choosing one from a group, drop-down menus for lists, and even fields for dates and signatures. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your document where you want users to input information. You can resize them, align them perfectly, and even set properties like whether a field is mandatory or what format the data should be in. This precise control ensures your forms are easy to use and capture data accurately. Now, for the security boost, digital signatures. In most PDF software, you'll find a dedicated tool for this. You can create your signature by typing it, drawing it, or even importing an image of your handwritten one. Then, you designate a signature field within the form. When someone receives your fillable PDF, they can easily type into the designated fields and then click on the signature field to apply their digital signature. This process encrypts the document, providing authentication and ensuring the content hasn't been tampered with since it was signed. By mastering fillable PDFs and digital signatures, you're not just making documents look professional. You're streamlining your entire paperwork process, reducing errors, and significantly enhancing document security. Give it a try and experience the future of document handling today.